Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to use tracking in Capcut PC. Let's use this video as an example, focusing on tracking a girl running within the footage. Motion tracking can be applied to various elements such as images, pictures or text. Let's begin with text. I'll add text to this video and extend it throughout the entire duration. With motion tracking, you have the freedom to position the text wherever you like. I'll place the text on top of the subject. To initiate motion tracking, click on the tracking icon. Then you'll notice a yellow box on the screen. This box serves as your tracking tool, and you'll need to position it over the object or subject you want to track. Depending on the object you're tracking, you might find it necessary to rotate the tracking box. Let's position the yellow box over the girl and click on Start. We wait a couple of seconds for the Capcut to recognize the person in the video. And finally, as you can see, Capcut is now tracking the person, moving the text along with them seamlessly. Let's see what I've got. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.